Hello, welcome guys. Sai is back with another video. In today's video, it's going to be a tournament battle. The new tournament Assault versus a rank 21 resistance play. Okay, let's go. I build construction yard. I'll build 3 barracks here in order to take the containers more effectively than the enemy. Okay, 3 supply centers going HQ level 2. Okay, I'm slowly moving with my assault, and I'll get about 50% containers here, guys, and that'll be enough. In this tournament you'll get a lot of containers, and the base development will be more faster than a PvP game. Okay, and let's go. I built some hammers, like a couple of hammers, just to dominate those flags, because in this tournament it's really important to take the flags. Okay, here it goes, and I was lucky there to catch that flag and another flag. I'll need at least 2 flags, because if you didn't take the flag, the enemy's ally will kill us slowly. I lost a battle today earlier because I was so foolish not to take the flags. Okay, here comes some annoying coyotes, but my bunker is gonna deal with them as well as my allies. Okay, I scouted the red player and I was really happy because he didn't win area. That is a big mistake. You'll see as the game progresses what was his mistake there. Okay, let's go. I have about 2 vertex out. I know he will spam a lot of porcupines and he'll kill my vertex, but I'm not using my vertex now. Okay, there it goes. Okay, I build 2 typhoons just in case that he will spam dragonflies or something. Okay, I got my factory level 3. I'm going for a shield generator as well as Thor's vertex. That will be my army composition here. Okay, I patrol with my vertex just to see if any unwanted activities are being done by my enemy. Okay, again went with my vertex, and I was sure he was going JCP, Jaguar, Chameleon and Porcupine. Okay, here my scout revealed that he had already Chameleon out. Okay, that's normal, pretty normal, it's fast. Okay, that guy is good. I have only 5 zoos here with the shield generator. I'll try to fish that Chameleon with my vertex. Okay, come on my minions, my vertex, my fight is, come on. Okay, I saw that he didn't turn on that Chameleon and I was taking my chances. Boom, here it goes. The Chameleon is gone and I lost 1 vertex in that process. That's normal, it's not an issue. Okay, let's go. And slowly moving with my Zeus there, trying to force fire. And I think I was able to kill some Jaguars there. Okay, and I think this Chameleon was severely damaged, that's why he was retreating. He only had 1. Okay, and I am going to bomb with my Thors. My Thors are maxed out for rank 20, guys. Only the armor is maxed out for it. Okay, here it goes. One bombing one, and these factories are pretty well maxed out, so I wasn't able to kill that factory. I need at least 5 Thors. Okay, here it goes. Another notification, sorry for that. Okay, and I'm trying to capture more flags here because I slowly want my partner to kill that guy slowly so that I can counter attack him. Okay, looks like I'm going for another bombing run. Here I have more Thors, and here it goes. Boom, boom, boom. 2 factories are gone. He was really stupid here not to produce aviation. He needed hawks, because if there was hawks I was forced to build more typhoons as well as vertex. I can't freely go with my Thors like I see here. And I scouted he was very fishy. He's trying to attack from the sides, but that's not gonna happen, bro. I have about 11 zoos and a shield generator now. Now I can force fire more effectively, because when you mass up your zoos, it's really easy. They'll take more damage. And I was trying a bomb here, and I barely missed that bomb. That's good. Proud of you, Sai. Okay. Okay, here it goes. Here it goes. And I'm trying to kill that all the jaguars there. All the jaguars, rebel jaguars are gonna die. And another, I force fire and killed another chameleon there. And I'm not gonna chase him because I don't wanna chase him because they'll siege up those jaguars inside their buildings, and that'll be really hard for me. And I'm going for another bombing run there. Okay, come on, those, come on, my minions. And see, this is the moment he realized that he needed hawks, but it is too late, buddy. It is too late. And I go at another factory, as well as I'm going to get that special vehicle factory as well. Okay, here it goes. Boom, that's gone. And I'm slowly trying to capture more flags here. Okay, I don't know what I was thinking. Really sorry. Okay, let's go. And his partner is being a pain in my ass because, like, sorry, no offense, it's very painful. Okay, it's gonna kick my butt. Okay, another bombing run is goes. Okay, and now I'm gonna kill those Avia factories. I don't want him to produce vertex, sorry, hawks. Okay, here it goes. One factory, boom. Another factory, boom. Okay, no more hawks for you, my friend. You should build it early. Okay, now he's trying to sneak in from the left top corner of my base. Okay, nice. I don't know whether he comes. Okay, I capture that flag back. And look, this is what I told. My partner is already there, and he's being very annoying. Okay, now he comes. I lost a vertex there. Okay, I'm trying to force fire here. Okay, he's retreating because he saw that I have a lot of shoes, and I think he was trying to put pressure here. That's it. And here it goes. I'm going for a bombing run. I missed that bombing run. I was thinking that he'll move backward, but he didn't. But that's not an issue. He has only less number of jaguars there. Okay, now there it goes. There it goes. And the mistake he did here was he has no idea, but he played pretty decent with his jaguars, to be honest, and he has pretty good buildings as well. Okay, I destroyed another factory. He was going for armadillos. Okay, my partner is, and I think that's gonna be pretty much it, guys. I already built a space system, and he was mining. I don't like people who mine. Okay, that's gonna be it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And I'll be uploading more interesting videos of Confederation gameplay. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off. Goodbye.